your Miss World Trinidad and Tobago 2019.
Trinidad and Tobago has been participating at Miss World pageant since 1954 and has placed 14 times in the semi-finals since its participation. The country holds one Miss World title in the courtesy of Giselle Ronde, who was crowned as Miss World in 1986. Last year, Trinidad and Tobago dazzled bright as a diamond at the Miss World pageant. This year too, Trinidad and Tobago has returned with some amazing set of contestants who are competitive, confident and above all fascinating. Where the winner of Miss Trinidad and Tobago will represent the country at Miss World pageant, the runner-up will be sent to Miss Supranational pageant. In this video, I'll be unfolding my favorites for Miss Trinidad and Tobago 2020. I am Bhagisha Mishra. If you're looking out for reviews and updates on beauty pageants, you are at the right space. If you're visiting this channel for the very first time, make sure you subscribe to the channel and also turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on any new video I'll be posting further. Now let's get started. At number 10, I have Jemima Pierre. Pursuing a business degree at present, Jemima is 20 years old and stands 5 feet 11 inches tall. She is quite photogenic and has a decent demeanor. I would like to see more of her. At number 9, I have Chanel Glasgow. Having a master's degree in acting, Chanel aspires to start the first ever drama school in the Caribbean. She looks fierce and poised. At number 8, I have Liersa Mahabir. This 23 years old woman is highly intellectual, possessing a degree in biochemistry. She aspires to be a forensic toxicologist and medical biochemist. She seems to be graceful and ambitious. At number 7, I have Tricia Ram Halavan. She is photogenic and seems to be a decent candidate. She is pursuing bachelor's degree in law and mass communication at present and aspires to become the president of the country someday. At number 6, I have Elisheva Phillips. Elisheva not only looks radiant and elegant but also gives vivacious vibes with her personality. At present, this 21 years old is a marketing assistant. She aspires to launch her own business and make a brand someday. At number 5, I have Trishelle Leacock. 24 years old, Trishelle stands 5 feet 8 inches tall. She is a graduate in BSc Communications from the University of Miami. She also holds a major in advertising and minor in marketing. Her high fashion looks and impeccable styling makes her an impressive choice for the crowd. At number 4, I have Shelly Nelson. 25 years old Shelly stands 6 feet tall and is also one of the tallest contestants in the entire batch. She holds a master's degree in management studies with a specialization in human resources. Apart from being highly educated, she is well versed in playing piano. Overall, she has a befitting profile for being a contestant at Miss World pageant. At number 3, I have Chandala Toucha, another frontrunner for the crown. She stands 5 feet 8 inches tall and is currently pursuing masters in international relations. In addition, she is the Trinidad Youth Representative of the National AIDS Coordinating Committee. She is also a member of Northwest Levantine Cultural Movement. I see her as one of the top 3 finalists as of now. At number 2, I have Chriselle Williams. She may be the shortest contestant in the batch, but her facial features highlights her inner radiance and confidence. She seems to be a strong contestant. She is also trained in belly dancing and is currently working as a research assistant in psychology. Now at number 1, I have none other than Samara Panton. 5 feet 11 inches tall, Samara's beauty screams loud the qualities of winner. She is currently employed at the Children's Affairs at the Office of Prime Minister. She is working under a very responsible position and hence I believe she must have got the exposure and audacity to stand out. She also loves to play steel pan. Her beauty and overall personality reflects her inner charisma and confidence, and I believe she could be an amazing representative of the country at Miss World pageant if given a chance to represent Trinidad and Tobago. So these were my top 10 favorites for Miss Trinidad and Tobago 2020. Tell me in the comments who are you rooting for Miss Trinidad and Tobago 2020 title. Until then, I will see you soon with a new video. Goodbye.